Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, so thank you for kindly sending me this gorgeous unit. It is from their Butta lace collection, the What lace collection. It's an HD transparent lace. It's the Butta unit 37, and this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. This is what the back of the stock card is looking like, because this unit does come in some specialty colors, and I got it in the color Flamboyage Chocolate. And this is what the middle of the stock card, thank you. This is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. It's a virtually undetectable HD lace. It blends in with most skin tones. Ear-to-ear lace with a 5-inch deep hand-tied parting space. It's pre-plucked with baby hair. Has a natural density hairline. And yeah, it shows you the difference between a normal lace and a Butta lace. I love the Butta lace collection. I feel like it has evolved over the years. As you guys can see, they are on number 37. And yes, I had started reviewing wigs way back when it was like on number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yes, they have come a long way. I am loving this unit. I'm loving the texture of it. It's definitely giving like natural blowout vibes for us 4C girls. It does have two combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly. Yes, the coloring is just very nice, as you guys can see. I do like the thickness of the unit. The density is very nice. It's definitely soft and giving like pillow-like vibes. So just keep that in mind. This unit does range on a few different websites between $30 and $40. So yes, y'all, I'm loving it. This unit was also an easy slate. If you are familiar with my channel, you know that I love me some plop and goes. So the only thing that I did was that I used my Fenty foundation underneath the wig with my foundation, and then I cut the lace on top of my head. I did go in with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette along the hairline. I actually pulled out a little bit of my baby hairs because, you know, the texture is just pretty much the same. So yeah, and then I did color in the lace in the middle, and that was it, you guys. That was literally it. So this unit is a plop and go. It's definitely giving beginner friendly for those of you out there that want to try wigs or try something a little bit different. So yes, I like it. It's giving mom. It's giving mom. It's giving like business suitcase vibes for sure, but I do like it. It's very cute. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.